안녕하세요. Hello K-friends. If you have udon at home, try this. One broth, chewy noodles, and tasty kimchi. Such a perfect combo. One bowl will fill you up. Then let's get started.
Cut the fish cake into bite-sized pieces. Slice the onion. Diagonally slice the green onion. If you have dumplings or shrimp, feel free to add them. Prepare half cup of chopped kimchi and 1 pack of udon noodle. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pot or earthenware pot. Add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and stir fry until fragrant. Toss in the onion and kimchi and stir fry over medium heat. Stir frying kimchi enhances its deep flavor, making the broth even more flavorful. If you prefer a spicier broth, add a half tablespoon of gochugaru. Once the kimchi is well stir-fried, pour in 2 cups of water. Add 3 tablespoons of tsuyu and the fish cake, then bring to a boil. When the broth starts boiling, add the udon noodles. If you like dumplings, toss in a few. Let it simmer for a moment. When the broth starts boiling, then add the shrimp, green onions, and an egg. Garnish with sliced red chili pepper if you want. Let it cook for 1 to 2 more minutes, and your mouth-watering kimchi udon is done. Look at this! For the best experience, serve it directly in the earthenware pot to keep it warm longer. Or simply ladle it into a bowl. Both ways are delicious. Hope you enjoy!
How was today's recipe? If you enjoyed, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.